Hello everyone, here welcome to another video on the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the pro version of Elementor. Now for you to have access to unlock all the pro features of Elementor, you need to open a plan, and you can see that for one site you'd be paying about $60 per year, and if you need to build more site up to 25 to 1,000 websites, then you might require that to pay hundreds of dollars per month. If these pricings are not within budget at the moment, you can opt to get the GPL version of the Pro Elementor and use that in your web design. Now if you come to your Elementor page builder, the free version, now you see that there are quite a limitation, and that's because all of the pro features are being stripped off. So for you to have access to the Pro feature, you are required to get a Pro plugin. You can see that the Pro animated deadline and then the Pro form widget comes unavailable because they are Pro feature of Elementor. So what you need to do is to come to Google and you want to search for Pro Elements and then click on this page. Now this is the Pro version of Elementor, a GPL version that is freely available, and it enables you to onboard the Pro features in the Elementor page builder as well as get automatic updates. So what you're going to do is to click on download, and once that's downloaded, you'd come to your WordPress dashboard, come under plugins and then add a new plugin, and then click on upload plugin, choose file, and then click on Pro Elements and have that installed on your website. Alright, so once the Pro plugin has been installed, you click on activate plugin, and then you can come back to your design, refresh it. So you see that all the Pro features are now available for your use again. Whatever Pro feature you need to use for your website, you can now have access to them. So that's how to get the Pro version of Elementor to build your site or build your client's website. I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.